Hello and welcome to Automate Inspection of Health. I'm Andrew Conniff, a Microsoft technical trainer specializing in data and AI. And in this session, we'll explore how to automate health checks in our DevOps pipelines to ensure reliability and performance. So let's get started. Staying informed about the health of our release process is crucial for delivering reliable software. Azure DevOps provides powerful automation tools to help teams monitor and maintain the quality of our releases. By leveraging features like release gates, events, subscription notifications, service hooks, and reporting, we can set up automated checks that alert us to issues that may be coming up, track the status of our deployments, and ensure that every release matches our organization's standards. These tools work together to provide real-time feedback, so we're always aware of the state of our pipelines and can respond quickly to any problems. Staying informed about changes and activities in our development projects is crucial for effective collaboration and rapid response. In Azure DevOps, events are triggered by actions such as code commits, build completions, or work item updates, and users can subscribe to these events and receive notifications, often by email, so we're always in the loop when something important happens. Notifications can be managed both centrally by administrators for teams or groups and personally by the individual user, allowing everyone to customize how and when they get updates that matter the most to them. Service hooks in Azure DevOps are a powerful integration that connect our DevOps processes with other services and tools that we might use every day. So think of the service hooks as automated messengers. They trigger actions in external systems whenever specific events happen in our environment. For example, when a build completes or a release is deployed, a service hook can automatically send a notification to Slack, update Trello, Teams, or even trigger deployment in Jenkins. This seamlessly connects us to other tools, and we don't have to manually update our other platforms or worry about missing critical updates. Service hooks keep everything in sync and flowing smoothly. Azure DevOps notifications keep teams informed about the important changes and activities throughout the development lifecycle. We can configure these notifications to send automatically based on rules or subscriptions. These can be set up by default out of the box, by you personally, or by a team or group administrator. Notifications can alert us when work items are updated, code reviews are completed, or pull requests are made, source control files change, builds finish, or releases occur. For example, you might get notified when you or your team resolves a bug or is assigned a new work item, ensuring everyone stays up to date and can respond quickly to changes. GitHub notifications are, again, a powerful way to stay updated on all of the activity that matters to us across our repositories, our issues or pull requests, or our team discussions. We can customize what we receive by subscribing to specific conversations, entire repositories, or even CI activity like workflow status from a GitHub action. The notification inbox lets us triage and manage these updates, so we're always in full control of what we see and when we see it. For example, you might subscribe to a particular issue, follow its progress, or watch a repository to get a notification about every new release or security alert. By default, GitHub automatically watches all repositories we create or own, and we are subscribed to the conversations when we're assigned to comment or when we are mentioned. You can also manually subscribe to threads or discussions and notifications that are triggered by actions like opening or closing issues, merging pull requests, or team mentions. It's a flexible system that ensures that we never miss important updates, whether we're collaborating on code or tracking bugs or monitoring our pipelines. Azure DevOps enables teams to measure and visualize the quality of our release processes. The first image here shows a dashboard grid with environments and test runs, where each cell represents the success rate of the release branch runs. It also uses color like green for 100%, red for failures, and blue for stages not yet completed. This visual approach helps teams quickly spot issues, track progress, and identify patterns such as environments that consistently pass or fail tests. By monitoring these metrics, organizations can detect symptoms of a broken process like frequent failures, reruns, or releases that never reach the final stage, allowing for rapid troubleshooting and continuous improvement. The second image illustrates the release pipeline with artifacts and stages, highlighting how deployment flows through different environments like early adopter, inner circle, and public. And this structure makes it easy to see which jobs and tasks are linked to each stage and where pre-deployment controls are applied. Release notes and documentation are essential tools for keeping everyone informed about the changes and features in a software project. Release notes provide a concise summary of what's new, improved, or fixed in each release, making it easy for users and stakeholders to understand the impact of the updates. Documentation, on the other hand, can be technical or functional and serve as a reference on how software works, how to use it, and where to find important information. These resources can be stored in various places such as a document store, a wiki, directly in the code base, or even attached to work items in your project management system. This flexibility ensures that the teams can access the information they need when they need it and in the best format that suits their workflow. When selecting a release management tool, it's important to consider several key factors that will impact your software delivery process. Start by evaluating how the tool handles artifacts and artifact sources. These are the files, packages, and containers that move throughout our pipeline. And look for solutions that support a variety of triggers and schedules, allowing us to automate releases based on events, time, or manual approval. Approvals and gates are also critical. They help ensure that only the validated, secure releases make it into production by adding checkpoints and compliance steps along the way. Release management tools are essential for automating, tracking, and controlling the deployment of software across different environments. On the screen, we see several popular tools: GitHub Actions, Azure Pipelines, Jenkins, CircleCI, GitLab Pipelines, and Atlassian Bamboo. Each tool offers unique features for building, testing, and releasing code. For example, GitHub Actions integrates seamlessly with GitHub repositories, making it easy to automate workflows directly from our codebase. Azure Pipelines provides robust support for both cloud and on-premises deployments, while Jenkins is renowned for its flexibility and extensive plugin ecosystem. CircleCI and GitLab Pipelines are favored for their simplicity and strong interaction with version control, and Bamboo is often chosen for its deep ties to Atlassian's suite of deployment tools. And that concludes our session. There are many ways to continue your learning journey. We encourage you to watch the other videos in this course or search out your next favorite topic on Microsoft Learn at aka.ms/learn.